such a good weather, so I decided to come out here in my backyard and capture a video of my in-depth review of my favorite top bag mission workshop Rover Pack. This thing is 28 liter. It doesn't feel like 28 liter, but it's actually pretty roomy, and I really love this as my daily carry. So I've been using it on a daily basis. Go back to my office, just EDC, going different places, event with the kids, family outing, anything. I just love carrying this bag. Why? It's not backpack. So why? I mean, backpack is my thing, right? Briefcase is my thing. Why am I suddenly using a top bag? Very simple, because it's extremely convenient. I'm not being sponsored. I'm not saying it just to impress the company, but I'm really highly impressed by them. It's just so useful and so versatile. Okay, the top being open, I'm gonna put a picture up how I use it to put all my today's gear, including tripod, iPad, and everything that's long and sticking out of the bag. The top is open and it's so convenient. So let's see what I pack here. This is basically what I carry with me if I go back to the office for a few hours. I mean, right now I work from home most of the time, but I do go back to the office from time to time just to check things out, talk to people, etc. So when I do that, what I bring with me. So this is all I bring. Amazing one. All right, so definitely there's a dedicated laptop compartment. So I put my laptop, my MacBook Pro, and also my iPad and the cover for that. So I have my Evergood pouch. I think it's a 1 liter, very convenient. So I just use it. Always bring a wet wipe with you. And then in here there's a dedicated, let me see if you can see it. A dedicated, like a compartment for all the small items. Pretty roomy actually. Sunglasses, everybody got to wear sunglasses. Mint, battery pouch. My work pass, I'm gonna skip that. Mask, still need it. Earbud, wallet, and that's it. You can just, it's so easy to pack. So everything you just dump it back in and you're done. So in the front, there's a magnetic opening. Here you have I got a little utility pouch here. I don't really use it because I don't really have too much stuff with me to the point where I have to find a place for every single item. In here I have all my tissue paper, extra tissue paper that I don't want to throw away. Just use it if I need it, so I have it here. What else in the bag? Oh, okay. There's also a water bottle compartment here, extremely convenient. Most of my bottle fit in this one, so this is why I love it so much. Okay, what else do I have here? All right, there's one more compartment right here on the side, and I put my also more paper, tissue paper. All right, I don't really use my shoulder strap that often because I don't use it as a shoulder bag, and I don't like more strap and stuff taking up space and have to worry about. So I usually take it out and I just wear it over my shoulder. Okay, so packing this stuff is amazing because all you have to do is dump it to the utility compartment. No thinking required, and when it makes you grab and go really fast. This is my number one thing. And then the center compartment, if I go to grocery, I will put all this stuff in the utility compartment and just leave the big area for all my grocery. This is like 28 liters, so when I buy milk, vegetable, cheese or whatever, there's plenty of room for that. Okay, and then this compartment always designates place for my laptop because it's padded, so it's well protected. zip it up so nobody knows you have a laptop. You just think, hey, you got a big empty bag. I really, really love this bag. This will be my daily carry, and it stands on its own. The fact that I can just use this bag for almost all my daily carry scenario, and also use it for my office, and also just be able to grab and go for any family event. It's just amazing. And I happens to pick MultiCam in black because I think it looks awesome. Not so feminine, more masculine looking, and also not too not too colorful and jump right out, getting too much unwanted attention. So I really like this one. Carrying over shoulder is not heavy at all. If you wanted to, you can always use the shoulder strap that comes with it. It's really lightweight. The whole thing is lightweight. So you can put it over your one shoulder if you want to, but to me, I just like to carry it like a top bag. It's just very convenient. Sometimes I will put this, when I'm driving, I put that on the back seat, the tunnel area. So when I turn, 45 degree, I can grab from this compartment very easily. If I need my sunglasses, I grab it. I need my wallet, I grab that. I need my tissue paper, baby wipes, I grab that right next to me. So I don't have to worry about any more packing, right? So if you use a backpack or a briefcase, right, you always have to make sure every single item fit inside that compartment within that capacity. But with a top bag and an open top, you can put everything in there without worry about overflow, almost like towel, things that are too long, tripod. I just put everything in here and just go with it. I'll show you a picture how I pack with my tripod and stuff, and it just fit. Everything fit. There's no worry about not enough room or anything. Also, I'll be traveling next month, middle of next month. If I wanted to carry things that are bigger than a hand carry bag can allow, it just stick out a little bit. Nobody's gonna complain. It's just a top bag. Nobody's gonna complain about you over the carry-on size, etc. So this will definitely be my carry-on, and it has this thing right here, so you can put it over the handlebar of your carry-on suitcase, and we just use it on top. So convenient, extremely convenient. Very well built. I initially worried about being too big, but it's not. It's not really too big. It's just the right size, right enough to put everything you need into it without worry about running out of space, but not too small to the point you feel like it's not practical. Everything I could think of on a daily basis, like EDC, it will fit in there without feeling way too big, or oh my god, I need a smaller bag. No, it's just I don't have to think about it. Everything I need to carry, I always have it next to my desk, and when it's time to go, whatever event, I just grab and go. If it's less, it's less. If it's more, I have room for it. That's almost the perfect bag for EDC. I know a top bag is not always the most masculine thing you can carry with you, but you can look at this one. It's not feminine for a guy like me. It's just perfect. Okay. What else I can say about it? The shoulder strap. If you put this over your shoulder, it's really comfortable. It's big enough for my shoulder. I don't feel like it's blocking me from walking or not comfortable at all. No, it's perfect. When I use this bag, what else I can share? I don't really close the top that often because I don't have to worry about it collapsing. It really can stand on its own. So I usually open it, keep it open so I can see what I have in there all the time. And yes, I want to talk about the compartment for this compartment for water bottle. Every single water bottle that I have fit in this one. The Nigel water bottle, the gold rug, smaller like coffee, long and narrow coffee mug, we all fit in this one. It's really big and it's really deep, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna come off. Very easy. I love this thing. It's beautiful. And if you wanted to, I can put a link down below so you can check it out. Oh, by the way, you can, there's a button here. You can close it out like this. It's very beefy. It doesn't feel flimsy. Nothing feels flimsy. When I buy bags, I really prefer made in USA stuff, well built, maybe slightly more expensive because it's well built quality, but to me it's well worth it. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah, I love this thing. I don't see a lot of review from regular user like me, so I decided to make a video of it. The bottom, let's see the bottom of this bag. Very rugged material. I don't care about getting it dirty because to me a bag is a bag. You're supposed to use it, build some character with it over time, make it more beautiful, and that's just the way I'm going to use it. No stitching come off, nothing come loose. Everything is very high quality. I wish they still have this color for sale, but I don't think so. This could be the last one, as I mentioned in my previous video. But if you want it, they still have, I think, black available. And they restock it pretty fast, so if you want it, you can always wait for it. Yeah, so you can see it's very, very roomy. Lots of space. But not too big, it just feels right. The size feels perfect. Not too big, not too small. That's the magic of, that's the equilibrium every manufacturer try to find. Is like a bag that is big enough for everything you need, but not too big that become like a overnight duffel bag. So this is a perfect size bag. Perfect. All right, this is all I have to say about this one. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. If you have one, share your thought with me and your comment, your feedback, how you use it, what kind of accessory stuff you buy for this thing. If you use this thing for long term, share with me what you think about it, what you like and what you don't like about it. So far, I give this a 10 out of 10. It's just so perfect. I have nothing to complain about. All right, hope you like this video. Share with me your comment and feedback. Thank you for your time.